Ever miss the door because you were in another room? Or upstairs with the TV on? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for smart, practical home tech that actually makes life easier. Meet the Wyze Battery Video Doorbell, a wire-free smart doorbell designed for quick installation and everyday security. It delivers HD video, motion alerts, two-way audio, and night vision to keep you connected at all times. An easy and affordable way to add reliable protection to your front door. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Wyze Battery Video Doorbell, cornerback plate, flat back plate, wire nuts and jump wire, long screws, USB-C charging cable, extension wires, expansion tubes, doorbell detaching pin, quick start guide, technical specifications. The Wyze Battery Video Doorbell delivers 1536 by 1536 HD live video at up to 15 to 20 frames per second. The doorbell features a wide 150 by 150 degree field of view, giving you a full perspective of your doorstep. For connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi IEEE 800 2.11b/G/N at 2.4 GHz, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.0. Power comes from a built-in 6,400 mAh rechargeable battery that lasts up to 6 months under normal use. And it also supports 5-volt 2-amp DC or 12 to 24-volt AC hardwired operation for continuous 24/7 monitoring. Night vision is provided by 850-nanometer infrared lights, ensuring clear visibility even in low-light conditions. Audio is fully two-way with a built-in microphone and speaker for seamless communication. Smart Detection sends motion alerts through the Wyze app, and depending on your app version, supports advanced AI detection features. Storage is flexible with a micro SD card of up to 256 gigabytes for local recording. This doorbell is weatherproof with an IP65 rating and operates in temperatures from -20 to 50 degrees Celsius or -4 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Smart home integration works with the Wyze app 3.7 Plus, Android 10 or higher, and iOS 16 or higher, giving full remote control and notifications. Finally, it complies with global safety, energy, and environmental standards, ensuring reliability and peace of mind. Product features. The doorbell delivers 1536 by 1536 HD live video, ensuring every detail at your doorstep is captured clearly. With a 150 degrees by 150 degrees wide-angle lens, it provides a comprehensive head-to-toe view, letting you see visitors, packages, and surroundings without blind spots. It features a powerful built-in 6,400 mAh rechargeable battery that can last up to 6 months under normal usage. For continuous 24/7 operation, the doorbell also supports hardwired installation via 5 volts 2 amps DC or 12 to 24 volts AC, offering flexibility for different home setups. Communicate directly with anyone at your door using the built-in microphone and speaker. Smart motion alerts are sent instantly to the Wyze app, and depending on your app version, AI-powered detection can distinguish people, packages, or movement in configurable activity zones. Built to withstand the elements, the doorbell has an IP65 weatherproof rating, performing reliably in rain, snow, or heat. Its 850-nanometer infrared lights provide night vision, giving clear visibility of visitors and packages even in low light or dark conditions. App connection. Download the Wyze app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and either sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. This account will manage all your Wyze devices and notifications. Insert the rechargeable battery or connect the doorbell to hardwired power. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the doorbell until the LED indicator starts flashing, signaling that the device is ready to pair with the app. In the Wyze app, tap the plus icon and select Add Device, then choose Doorbell. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the doorbell to your home Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you can customize settings like motion alerts, notifications, and two-way audio for seamless front door monitoring. How to install. Start by turning off the breaker that powers your existing doorbell to ensure complete safety. Next, test the doorbell to confirm that the power is off and there's no live current running through the wires. Once you've confirmed it's safe, carefully remove the existing doorbell from the wall and disconnect any wiring, clearing the space for the new installation. Select a suitable spot near your door, ideally at chest height for optimal detection. Attach the included mounting plate or bracket to a flat surface using the provided screws and anchors. For smooth walls, you can use the 3M adhesive included. If needed, use the horizontal or vertical mounting wedges to adjust the viewing angle so the doorbell captures the entryway perfectly. Once the bracket is secure, hook the doorbell onto the plate and lock it in place to ensure it stays firmly attached. Decide how you want to power your doorbell. In wire-free mode, the built-in rechargeable battery provides 8 months of usage on a single charge. If you prefer continuous monitoring, connect the existing doorbell wires to the terminals on the back of the unit and tighten the screws. Hard wiring ensures 24/7 operation, giving you uninterrupted coverage and reliable performance. After mounting and powering the doorbell, test it to make sure everything is working properly. Press the doorbell button to confirm it triggers the indoor chime. Check that the doorbell feels secure and does not wobble, and adjust the angle with the mounting wedges if necessary. With these steps completed, your Topo doorbell is ready to deliver full coverage of your entryway and monitor visitors, packages, and deliveries reliably. How to charge. To charge the Wyze doorbell, carefully remove the doorbell from its mounting bracket to access the charging port. Connect the included USB cable to a power source such as a wall adapter, power bank, or computer, and plug it into the doorbell. The LED indicator will show the charging status. And once fully charged, you can slide the doorbell back onto the bracket and resume normal use. The built-in 6,400 mAh battery provides long-lasting power for 6 months on a single charge. Safety tips. Avoid extreme weather. Turn off the power before setup. Use recommended power only. Keep receivers dry and ventilated. Clean gently and regularly. Test the doorbell periodically. Product comparison. The Wyze Battery Video Doorbell has a sleek, compact black gloss design that's lightweight and easy to mount on most door frames. The Ring Battery Video Doorbell features a slim plastic body in satin nickel or bronze that's also weather-ready, designed for a minimal profile and easy removal when charging is needed. Wyze streams at 1536 by 1536 HD with a 150° by 150° wide-angle view, so you get a full head-to-toe look at your doorstep. The Ring Battery Video Doorbell records at 1440 by 1440 HD with a 150° horizontal and 150° vertical field of view, giving similarly broad coverage of people and packages. Wyze supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.0 for fast app connectivity and reliable streaming. It runs on a built-in 6,400 mAh rechargeable battery with up to 6 months of use and can also be hardwired for continuous power. The Ring Battery Doorbell connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and runs on a non-removable rechargeable battery that can be trickle-charged if hardwired, though you'll need to remove it for full USB charging. Pros and cons. The Wyze Battery Video Doorbell offers 1,536 by 1,536 HD video with a wide head-to-toe field of view. It runs on a built-in rechargeable battery that can last up to 6 months and also supports hardwired installation. The doorbell includes two-way audio, infrared night vision, local micro SD storage without a required subscription, and an IP65 weather-resistant design. Limitations include the lack of color night vision, a plastic body that feels basic, and battery life that can decrease with frequent motion alerts. Some advanced AI detection features may require a subscription, and video resolution is below true, 2K or 4K. Overall, it provides core doorbell functionality at a lower cost. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.